always got to hold on to the drinks and the menus or it'll fly.
Yeah, it's
great weather if you're a kite.
It is. It is.
Good to see you.
Good to see you.
And just like that, from a map to people.
It's one of the reasons why we love our app that this guy helped us get done. That's Ed, famous Ed.
The famous Ed.
Famous Ed.
And Kelly.
And Miss Kelly.
She needs new friends.
But we wanted an app where we could find the crew that we met, and we met you guys actually on a trip in Mexico.
Yep.
On an experience trip. And we saw that we were in the same area because of our app. We were able to get together, have some food, meet up here on the ocean.
And that's not such a bad thing. So, they should download the app.
Should download the app.
You use the app a lot.
Yes. Everywhere we go, we check in.
Do you really?
Yeah, we checked in Elkhart.
That way, good.
Oh, good sweet thumbs up!
That's a good crew. That's a good crew right there. But it's cool. That way you can find out kind of who's nearby and you can connect with other people. So thanks, Ed. Because you did that, we got to meet up with these guys again. Look at that. Using his brain. It was good to see you, my friend. Thanks for dinner.
Yes.
Appreciate it. Oh, thanks.
This way. You know, reach out when you get
Okay. Motorcycles put away. Bikes are charging. We're off to meet somebody that reached out from the Founders Club. And we haven't seen them in a long time. We met them a long time ago. And
I think we only met him one time for just a little bit.
And then they reached out on the app because they saw we were over here. So we're gonna go grab some dinner. Got 20 miles in on that e-bike ride today.
How you doing?
I'm all right. It was an e-bike.
Look. Oh my goodness, what a fun place. Dolphin watching, parasailing. We got beach balls everywhere.
If you've ever been to New Jersey, just know that you do not fill up your own gas. People do it for you.
You can get fined.
Yeah, it's a $500 misdemeanor.
Shut up. Is it really that much?
I think it was $250, $500.
That's
I learned that the hard way. I didn't get a ticket, but I did fight with the gentleman saying, "You are not pumping gas." I thought he was a homeless guy. And if he would have been wearing like a vest or looking more efficient, he was sitting on like a broken chair out by the pumps. And when I got out to do it, he come running over there and I was like, "Don't touch this truck." And then we get in this big argument. Sheila's like, "What's going on?" I was like, this guy's wanting to pump our gas. And he goes, "I pump gas." I think he was from India. I was like, "You're not on this truck, you're not pumping gas." And then right after that, a BMW pulls up right on the other side of the pump. And the guy hands him a credit card and he puts it in and he starts pumping gas and he says, "See, I pump gas." And I'm like, this is weird. So that was the first year on the road. So if you come to New Jersey,
learning. We're always learning on the road. It's an experience.
It's definitely funny.
That's fun.
That's not touristy at all.
Not at all. I think there's everything that says, but it's fun. Bright colors.
0.6 miles, you'll turn on the left-hand side. Oh my goodness, look at this beach.
Oh, yeah.
That's
A lot of
ridiculous. I
sand.
didn't see that coming.
Look at that.
Candyland and Captain Jack's Island Grill. Apparently, it's a big thing here. They had a huge country concert here. I had no clue. A huge water park. You've got rides. Come on, Sheila, let's go.
There's so much going on here.
Silly.
Good thing is they know what we look like, so they'll...
Yeah, that's funny. This is insane. Look at that. 1974. Yeah, this is like loud. It's not like Ocean City.
So many people.
It's touristy for sure.
Well, I don't know. All the families are here playing soccer.
Yeah, it is. It's different. Hello.
What's up, dude?
How are you?
How are you, pal? Hello. Hello, Jen. How are you? Good.
Wildwoods existed, Jason. There was not even like in my brain. Wildwood was never a thing.
Wildwood is a thing. Wildwood's been a thing for,
I know.
like I said, since the 50s.
Since the 50s. That's okay.
Look at all these.
There you go. That's your view right there.
That's pretty awesome.
I'm the king of the world.
You can't.
I'm the belly of the world.
Watch out.
And this goes all the way around. All the way down over to there.
Apparently, you must go to the hot spot if you're coming. So we are at the hot spot restaurant and pizzeria. That doesn't mean
No
anything.
dairy, no fat.
It's not Seinfeld. Oh my goodness. This tram car thing. Wave. Everyone wave.
We're in Jersey. They don't do that.
Okay, so we're having
It's called water ice.
Polish water
Water
ice.
ice. It's like a snow cone only blended together, maybe. There's no way.
So,
It's
how come you didn't get any?
We'll get some.
Yeah.
you'll get it on my shoe.
Good. What, cherry?
It's definitely. It's not. It's more smooth than a.
What's in it?
I don't know. Water ice.
It says no fat. It's like a Jerry Seinfeld episode.
No cholesterol.
No fat or cholesterol. What'd you get?
Strawberry.
What'd you
What is
get?
actually in it?
You got strawberry because he's a Harley rider. He's a little fruity.
Whoa! Whoa!
He's fruity. That's why he's got
Oh, I
strawberry.
should have got root beer then. You sound tougher.
He really wanted cotton candy.
I did want cotton candy. I did. I did want cotton candy.
This Harley guy wanted cotton candy.
She don't want cotton candy.
You ate it all.
I ate it all.
She ate
It was so
all
good.
of it.
It was
I
so
got
good.
5 scoops.
It was good. Well, sorry. You said, well, just get one and share if you don't love
That
it.
is not my voice.
If you didn't like it, then... But I liked it.
That was fun. Bands.